Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and creative tutorial, we will learn how to add multiple watermarks in Microsoft Word for a more advanced and professional document design. By default, Word always allows only one watermark, but in this video we will discover smart techniques to insert multiple text or images watermark on the same page. This is perfect for conditional for documents, branding, drafts and custom layouts where you need more than one watermark. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document, then go to the insert menu and go to the design menu. Click the watermark option. Now you can see here custom watermark. Now you can add one watermark like the picture or the text. Now I am write my text watermark. Click apply, then click close. Then we can see here a text watermark. Now we want to add another watermark. Double click on the header, then go to the design menu, click the picture option, then select the picture from your file. Select the image, go to the format menu, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text, then make the size of the text is big, then go to the design menu, click the close header and footer. Now we can see we add the multiple watermark on one page very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.